Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how to create database from scratch in Microsoft Access. So stay tuned and watch till the end. First of all, I open this Microsoft Access document. If I click on this, so it will show me, do you want to create a blank database? I said yes. If I click on this, and now asking me what would be the name of the file, I just keep it database 3, and now I select the location. If I want to keep it on desktop, I select here and then press OK, and now I'll press OK. It will generate a blank document of database in Microsoft Access for me. There are two options. Either I can create my own database or I can import the data from some other file. If I want to import the data from other files, I go to external data and import and link. There is new data source option there. For the time being, I just want to create my own database, so I need to define the fields. First one is ID field. If I click on this one, so it is asking me data type. What type of data will be in this field? For example, if I want to mention the name, first name, so I will select the short text, and now I will write first name heading here. If I click on the next one, again asking me data type, again short text, is a last name. Next one, if I want to mention address, it's again a short text, so you can write address. And last one is a cell number. So if I click on this, and now I'll select the number because cell number are in numbers. So I select this one and now mention the heading cell number. So you can create the fields as many as you want. If you want to write the name of this database, so just cancel this. It's asking me, you want to save it, press yes, and now you can mention it. For example, if I employee 1, I decide this name for this database, press OK. So now you can see on the left hand side the employee 1 table is showing. If I double click on this, so it will show it for me. You can change its view. Going to the home tab, there is a view option. Click on this. The current view is datasheet view. You can change it to design view. So now you can see on the left side there is a field name, on the right side the data type which is defined earlier. On the bottom side there are field size, new values, format, capture index, and there are so many different options. So it depends on you which view you want. If I want the datasheet view, I'll go back to that. So this is the way you can create the database from the scratch. Hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks and the more informative videos. So I'll see you guys in next video.